Batch generate labels in Excel. This is an 80x60 product label. Below, we will create a label template in Excel and batch print it. Open Excel and create a new sheet. Page layout, size, select 80x60 paper size. Label assistant, 0 margin. View, page layout. Each grid cell corresponds to an 80x60 label area. When creating labels, ensure content does not exceed the grid boundaries and reserve at least 10% margin space to accommodate printing alignment errors. Select multiple rows. Label assistant, average row height. The label template framework is now designed. Proceed to fill in the core data fields for batch generation. Merge cells to create a designated area for displaying QR codes. Label assistant, QR code. Display borders. Template design completed. Exit page layout and switch to normal view. Select the template area. Label assistant, add. Fill in the template information, then click Add. The template is now added. Next, bind Excel column data to specific cells in the template. Bind Excel column data to specific cells in the template. Open the data sheet to verify or edit the source information for label batch generation. 9 data entries generated 9 labels. Filter some data and generate labels again. Print these for labels to check the actual output, alignment and content accuracy. The label has been printed successfully. Set label columns to 2. To generate multiple labels from a single data entry, use a column named Copies Exemplar to specify the required quantity for batch printing. Print the labels directly on A4 sheets, then manually cut them out along the pre-designed spacing guidelines for individual label separation. This data entry contains images. Data supports images place in cell for dynamically binding product images. Stay tuned for more features. We will periodically update tutorial videos to enhance your experience. Follow us for the latest releases. Thank you.